Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Google Pixel 11 Pro. So first, it is completely normal for your phone to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging. To minimize the heating, first close all the background apps on your phone. Also, you can disable in quick settings every feature you don't currently need. Then, use the original cable and a charger. Avoid using your phone while charging, just leave it on a nightstand and let it charge properly. Remove the phone case if you have any, and charge in a cool and ventilated area. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.